You can probably hear it's very loud from the rain outside. Thunderstorm. It's not really fun in an RV. Danny sure doesn't enjoy it. I don't enjoy it either. But on the bright side, this is the only time that I get cuddles initiated by Danny. See, it's coming down pretty good. There's the lightning and the thunder, which is Danny is definitely not a fan of. It's just rain right now. I don't think it's gonna hail. That's what I'm not a fan of. So should be all right. Should be done in, I don't know, maybe like a half an hour. But I think the heavy rain's supposed to stop here before too long. But yeah, I'm just hanging out. Huh, Danny? Big lean.